Hi, I'm your voice assistant. Now I will teach you how to earn more than 100% per annum on staking using ShapeShift. Log into MetaMask. Go to the ShapeShift website. In the Farming Rewards Extended field, click Start Farming. Click on Connect Wallet. In the pop-up window, check the box I agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy and choose your wallet to connect to. Select your account and click on the button Next. Connect to your account by clicking on the Connect button. Congratulations! You have connected your MetaMask wallet. In the Farming Opportunities field, click on the Get Started button. In the pop-up window, click on the Provide Liquidity button. Enter the amount or put the maximum value and click on Approve. Confirm your transaction. Click on the Supply button. Click on the Confirm button. Click on the Approve button. Confirm a transaction in your wallet. In the Put Details field, click on the Stake Now button. Confirm the transaction one more time. Congratulations! Your coins have been staked successfully.